Here we are on the beach. Just a little boat. A little boat that brought 15 people into the shore from somewhere. And here it is, rotting. Imagine 15 people on this thing. Radiator. Isn't that great? Maybe they came from Cuba? Who knows? Uh-oh. Watch out, honey. You're gonna dunk your phone. And let's see, what's all this crap up here? Reinforcing rod rope. Great. Oh, there's the light, I guess. Honey, here's the light. Look at this. This lights up at night. Look at that. Lobos del Mar. Lobos del Mar. Well, that's how you immigrate to America. You get your little boat and you get ashore, and there you go. Let's see. Sufre con lo something. Yeah, that's where we swim. We swim down out of sight way down there, and that's the Del Rey up here.